Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your go to channel for the latest trends, tips, and inspiration in the world of fashion and beauty. Today, we are diving into a timeless and versatile wardrobe staple denim. Specifically, we will explore the charm and versatility of denim dresses and shorts. These pieces are not only stylish but also incredibly adaptable, making them perfect for various occasions and seasons. Let's delve into the world of denim and discover how to rock denim dresses and shorts with confidence and flair. Denim has been a cornerstone of fashion for decades. Its durability, comfort, and versatility make it a beloved choice for casual and chic outfits alike. From a classic blue jean to modern trendy styles, denim has evolved to meet the needs of fashion enthusiasts around the globe. Denim dresses and shorts, in particular, offer a blend of casual comfort and stylish sophistication, making them essential items in any wardrobe. Denim dresses are a fantastic option for those who want to combine the rugged appeal of denim with the feminine silhouette of a dress. Here are some popular styles and tips on how to wear them. The denim shirt dress is a timeless piece that can be dressed up or down. It's perfect for casual outings, brunches, or even casual Fridays at work. Pair it with sneakers or ankle boots for a laid back look, or dress it up with the heels and a statement belt to cinch the waist and add a touch of elegance. For a more feminine and flirty option, the fit and flare denim dress is ideal. This style accentuates the waist and flare out at the hips, creating a flattering silhouette. It's perfect for date nights or summer parties. Pair it with wedges or strappy sandals and add some delicate jewelry to complete the look. The off-shoulder denim dress is perfect for a trendy and slightly more daring look. It's great for beach outings, festivals, or casual get-togethers. Pair it with the espadrilles or flat sandals for a relaxed vibe, and a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses for a chic bohemian look. For a more dramatic and sophisticated options, the maxi denim dress is a showstopper. The style is perfect for evening events or special occasions. Pair it with heels, sandals, or ankle boots and accessorize with bold jewelry to make a statement. A tailored jacket or blazer can also add a touch of elegance to the outfit. Denim shorts are a summer staple, but they can be styled in numerous ways to suit different occasions and personal styles. Here are some ideas on how to rock denim shorts. The classic blue denim shorts are a must have for any wardrobe. They are incredibly versatile and can be paired with almost anything. For a casual look, pair them with the basic white tee and sneakers. For a more polished look, tuck in button down shirt and add a pair of loafers or flats. High waisted denim shorts are perfect for accentuating the waist and creating a retro inspired look. Pair them with a crop top or a tucked in blouse for a chic ensemble. Add some platform sandals or chunky sneakers and add a pair of oversized sunglasses to complete the look. Distressed denim shorts add a touch of edginess to any outfit. They are perfect for casual outings, concerts, or festivals. Pair them with the graphic tee and combat boots for a rocker vibe, or balance the ruggedness with a feminine blouse and sandals. For a fun and playful twist, colored denim shorts are a great option. They come in various shades like pastel pink, mint green, or vibrant red. Pair them with the natural tops to let the shorts stand out, and add some fun accessories like a statement necklace or colorful sneakers. Denim dresses and shorts can be layered to create stylish and dynamic outfits, especially when transitioning between seasons. With a cardigan or sweater for a cooler weather, lazy layer a denim dress with a cozy cardigan or an oversized sweater. This adds warmth and creates a relaxed, comfortable look. For an edgier vibe, pair a denim dress with the leather jacket. This combination is perfect for a night out with a or a concert. Add some ankle boots or heeled sandals to complete the look. Layered denim shorts with a flowy kimono or a light jacket for a chic and effortless look. This is perfect for spring or summer evenings when the temperature drops slightly. In warmer months, opt for lightweight denim fabrics and pair your dresses with shorts and breezy tops and accessories, sandals, espadrilles, flats, and get footwear. In cooler months, choose thicker denim fabrics and layer with sweater. As we become more conscious of our environmental impact, it's important to consider sustainability in our fashion choices. Look for denim made from organic cotton, recycled materials, or produced by brands that prioritize ethical manufacturing practices. If you love getting creative, consider customizing your denim dresses Final thoughts: so denim dresses and shorts are incredibly versatile and stylish, making them a must have in any fashion conscious wardrobe. From casual daytime looks to chic evening outfits, denim can be styled to suit any occasion. Remember to choose the right fit, style, and accessories that complement your body shape and personal style. With the right care and touch of creativity, your denim pieces can remain stylish and timeless for years to come. Thank you for joining us at Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the versatility and elegance of denim dresses and shorts. Until next time, stay stylish and confident with Luna Fashion and Beauty. Bye for now.